Hey guys, this video shows you how to highlight mouse pointer in Windows 10 or Windows 11. All you need to do is to watch the video till last and make sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's start. The first step is to open your default browser and type rwdesigner.com. Once it's open, you will see the first website that appears in front of you. Open that website. Its name is Real World Graphics. When you open it, this type interface will appear in front of you. On the top there are 5 options given. You have to open the options gallery. When you open that option, there will be a search box given. Search in it highlighted mouse. And you will get lots of results. You have to choose what type of highlighted mouse you have to choose. I will choose this yellow type because I have also used that. I will just download, click on download button. The download is done. Now we will open the control panel and open hardwares and sound. And in the hardware and sound, open mouse. And in the mouse, in the second option, we will set it to Windows default and browse for the file we have downloaded. And we will click on apply, and you will see that mouse will be successfully highlighted. My one is already highlighted, so it will not be visible, but you can try it. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.